Welcome back. Today we will make guacamole. The ingredients we will need are tomatoes, an avocado, some kind of chili pepper. This is a jalapeno from my garden, a red onion, some lime, salt, pepper, and either fresh garlic or garlic powder. So first, I'm just going to get these out of the way. You can put as much or as little as you like. Salt, we may want some more later, but for now, I will take my lime juicer. You don't have to use this kind, but it makes it very simple and very fast. Just squeeze. That may not be enough lime juice. Uh-oh. I forgot my trash bowl. I may need some more lime. I don't know yet. First, we'll chop about a half a red onion, maybe a quarter. Probably about half is okay. This one's almost ready to sprout. We'll take that out. When it sprouts, it comes out and it turns green, and the roots will start to grow up around. I've already cut them off. We will save that for later. Take off the outside layer. You don't have to use red onion. You could use any kind of onion, sweet or strong. It's really up to what you like. I'm sure maybe this isn't 100% traditional. Some people may not like my choice of ingredients. Sometimes you cut too much. And I think even within Central and South America, maybe it changes based on the area. Let's try that again. A little more stability. Cut back. Cut back. Accidentally went all the way through. Oh well. And just jump, 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 jump. So even if you go all the way through, it's still okay. Just be careful. Work slowly. For this, you don't want the pieces to be too big. But again, do what you like. For now, we will save the rest of this. With the other part of our onion. Take his stem out too. Next, our chili. If it is too spicy, you can remove the seeds. I like spicy. And just take them into small pieces. Finely chop them. If you have a cut on your finger, you will know about it. With this and hand sanitizer, I sometimes call it cut finder as a joke. If you have a cut, you will find it. It will help you. Now, because I'm touching peppers, I'm going to wash my hands. Don't touch your eyes. touch your eyes, it will burn for a long time. Next, tomatoes. Again, as much as you like. Some people do not put tomatoes at all. We will just rinse these off. And we're going to slice them up. The seeds, especially with small cherry tomatoes or mini tomatoes, there's a lot of liquid and a lot of seeds. There are a lot of seeds, and that's a good thing, because that liquid will help the texture. And just chop it up. Again, we want small pieces. Need to sharpen my knife. I bought a knife sharpener, but it does not work very well. So this is almost a paste. Get in there, jalapeno. And in we go. Next, it's time for the avocado. If this little spot is still here, take it out. Be very careful. Inside is a pit. Work around with your knife, staying on the pit. And twist and open. There are some brown spots. That is okay. Be very careful. We're just going to very lightly push in, turn, and pull out the pit. You can also use a spoon to scoop around it. That is safer. Next, we are going to lightly slice, going at this angle, and then this way, in a crosshatch pattern. We're making lots of little squares. Be careful not to go through the skin and cut your hand. You can go big or small. It doesn't matter. This just makes it easier. And frequently I move the avocado, not my hand. Next, we will take a spoon and scrape out the flesh. These little black spots are okay. This just means air came in. But if you see mold, throw it away. This is soft and mold will enter easily and spread quickly. Right. We are done with our knife and cutting board. We will take a quick second to clean a little bit. Always keep your workspace clean. And now, the fun part. Take a rolling pin or anything that you have that is small, but you can push. Be careful not to break your bowl. And we're going to smash. into a kind of mush or a paste. Traditionally, this is made in a molcajete, which is a stoneware, I believe volcanic rock, that is very abrasive. It's kind of almost like how sandpaper feels. And it helps to rip apart and tear apart the contents. I don't have a molcajete, so I use a rolling pin and an IKEA bowl. Just be careful not to hit too hard or you will break your bowl. Now that everything is mixed together, we will taste for seasoning. Spicy. Ooh. A little bit more salt. Excuse me. And that's it. There we go. That was a hot jalapeno. This is guacamole. You can dip chips in it. You can dip vegetables in it. You can put it on a tortilla for a burrito or a taco. And it is delicious. I'll probably dip some chicken in it later. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.